Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make red kidney bean soup. To begin, gather your fresh ingredients. You'll need 1 1/4 cups of dried red kidney beans, which should be soaked overnight. Also, prepare 1 large onion, 1 large carrot, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. These foundational elements are crucial for building a rich and hearty flavor. Having everything ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Once your beans are soaked, drain them and place them in a pot with fresh water. Bring to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer for about 50 minutes until tender. In a separate large pot, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Sauté your chopped onion and carrot for about 2 minutes. Then, add 1 1/2 tablespoons of paprika and 2 teaspoons of dried oregano, cooking for another minute. Now, combine your tender, cooked red kidney beans with the sautéed aromatic vegetables in the large pot. Add 3 cups of water or vegetable stock, along with 1 teaspoon of salt. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to low. Let the soup simmer gently for at least 30 minutes, allowing all the flavors to meld beautifully. This slow simmer is key to a truly delicious and comforting soup. After simmering, taste your red kidney bean soup and adjust the seasonings as needed. You might want to add a bit more salt, pepper, or a squeeze of lemon juice for brightness. For a thicker consistency, you can blend about 1/3 of the soup using an immersion blender. Ladle your warm, hearty soup into bowls and garnish with fresh cilantro or parsley. Finally, remember to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book about money, plus other great deals to help you on your financial journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.